Hello, guys, and welcome to another video. And in this video, we're actually going to discuss how to find the distance between 2 points on the coordinate plane. And we're going to actually discuss various strategies on how to do this correctly so you'll be able to find the distance no matter what quadrant your points are in. So here we have a graph with 2 points on it already. And I want you to think, what should be the first step you should always do when you want to find the distance between 2 points? And hopefully we are all on the same page, and you say we must determine what the order pairs are. If you don't know what the coordinates for your points are, you can't determine how far apart they are from one another. So we must determine what are the order pairs for our points. So right here, I'm going to put the graph back up, and I'm going to give you 10 seconds to determine what is the order pair for point A and what is the order pair for point B. So hopefully we're able to determine that point A has an order pair of 4, 6, and point B has an order pair of 11, 13, where 4 is the x coordinate and 6 is the y coordinate, and 11 is the x coordinate, and 13 is the y coordinate. Now, there's various ways we could determine the distance between 2 points, and in this video, we're going to discuss 2 strategies. Because if you're a great mathematician, you always are going to do 2 strategies for any problem. So in this video, we're going to cover 2 strategies that we should be using on all distance problems. So strategy number 1, distance by counting. Now, Mr. Morales, what do you mean by that? Well, distance by counting is simple. You want to start at any point you want, and you want to start either with the y-axis, then head to the x-axis, or you could do vice versa. So let's actually start off with the y-axis here. So if you want to start off at point A, you want to count 7 spaces up. So it's at the same y coordinate as point B. So A has a y coordinate of 6. So if we count up 7 spaces to 13, we're now at the same coordinate, the same y coordinate as point B. Now we have to count 7 spaces over to the right. So we now have the same x coordinate as B as well. Now you add that all together, and you're going to get 14 total spaces. Now, let's say, Mr. Morales, I don't want to start with the y-axis, Mr. Morales. Am I allowed to start with the x-axis if I want to? Of course. If you wanted to start with the x-axis and then head to the y-axis, you will actually get the same answer. So starting with point A, we counted 7 spaces to the right on the x-axis. So now that we are at the same x-coordinate of 11 as point B, and now we're counting 7 spaces up to get to the point B, and now when you add 7 plus 7, you're going to get 14 total spaces. Now, Mr. Morales, what is strategy number 2? Well, strategy number 2 is finding distance by doing simple math. Nothing too complicated, guys. Just simple addition and subtraction that you guys have been doing since, what, kindergarten? Pre-K? Who knows, but you guys have been doing it for a very long time. So, as we discussed, point A has an order pair of 4, 6, and point B has an order pair of 11, 13. Now, if you was to find the difference of the x coordinates, that would be 11 minus 4, which is 7 units, and then find the difference of the y coordinates, which is 13 minus 6, which is another 7 units, and then add up these differences, we'll get a total of 14 units because 7 plus 7 equals 14. And that is the same answer we got when we did distance by counting. So either way is efficient strategies, and you will get the same answer. So make sure when you, on exam day or exit tickets or homeworks, that you're using both strategies. Because great mathematicians, they don't just use one strategy, they use 2 strategies.